Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how you can integrate HubSpot with Power BI. So you can do this with the help of Windsor.ai. You can go to the website. What you need to do is you need to use Windsor.ai to integrate HubSpot with Power BI. First of all, you need to register or log in if you already have an account with Windsor.ai. Then you need to select your source. What you'll do is you can see the screen right here. You need to select HubSpot as a data source and grant access to Windsor.ai. So you can see grant HubSpot access. This is the screen that it'll show you once you've registered or logged in with Windsor.ai. You can search HubSpot from here and you will check the option. Now from there, you'll select the destination. You can see a lot of options, but of course, we need to connect this with Microsoft Power BI, so that's why we'll select this. Then we need to sync our data. This is the screen that you will see. You need to select the fields on the right, and then you need to click on Get Data. This is the option that you'll see. And from there, you'll see this web option. So you need to click on Get Data from the web in Power BI. Then you need to copy the URL in the box below. After that, you'll see this URL. You can see this right here. It is highlighted as well. You need to copy this URL and you need to add it in the box below. Importing CSV generated via HubSpot APIs. Now, Power BI also allows importing data in various formats, while HubSpot supports exporting data through its user interface. What you need to do is you can get data from HubSpot to Microsoft Power BI from extracting the data from one of HubSpot's APIs and loading it in Power BI using CSV file import. Now, what you need to do for that is, first of all, you need to generate an API key from logging into your HubSpot account. In the main navigation bar, you need to go on the settings icon. From there, you'll go on integrations, select API key, and from there, you'll copy the key after generating it when you click to generate key. From there, you'll fetch contact details from HubSpot. You'll then extract the data from the JSON file and convert it into a CSV file. Then you can import the CSV file to Power BI. So if you want to do this as well, you can. Otherwise, this is the general way of how you can integrate HubSpot with Microsoft Power BI. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.